5 simple steps of skimming technique. We look at the title of the passage, first paragraph, first line of every paragraph, highlighted images or text or graphs, and the final para. Let's work out these 5 steps in a passage. I've got an interesting passage for you. Shall we read it? Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh is a fictional teddy bear brought to life by A. Milne. Milne created the character of Winnie the Pooh for his son Christopher Robin Milne and based it on a stuffed toy teddy bear, Pooh. So we got an idea that this passage is about the character Winnie the Pooh. What is the second step? Yes, quickly scan the first paragraph because it is an introductory paragraph and enables you to understand better what you're about to read. We are able to gather more information like the fact that Winnie the Pooh is a fictional teddy bear and that A. Milne created it by quickly scanning the first paragraph. Do you remember the third step? Yes. Go through the first line of each paragraph. The first line of all paragraphs tells us clearly that the passage is about Winnie the Pooh. Can you identify any highlighted images or text or graphs? Okay, there are no highlighted graphs, but we can find an image and few highlighted words like Christopher Robin Milne and E.H. Shepard. We now get the idea that we'll be reading something related to them. We also came across when we were young and now we are 6 in italics, which means we need to pay more attention to them. Finally, read the last paragraph as it contains the conclusion or summary. The passage that we read is about where Winnie the Pooh got its name. Isn't that quick and simple? Now try to understand any other passage or article using the skimming technique. Thank you for joining me this session. See you soon in the next.